Okay, so here we are. Uh, she did it in embossing, uh, where the letters are raised off the surface, but it doesn't really show you good use of a solid tool because it looks the same. So what I'll show you and what you need to do for this little bit of an assignment is to engrave some kind of text on this little name tag. So here we do. Here we are. Here we have this little blank name tag. And if I look at the entity info here, yes, it is a solid group. That's super important. It has to be a solid, a full solid with nothing fooled up in it. So what we're going to do, and I'm using the web interface here. You might be using the desktop, but all the same buttons are there. They're just in different spots. So just like she did, I'm going to go find the 3D text tool. I'm going to type some kind of text. 6 inches is good because it gives us a lot of depth to play with for an engraving. I'm going to say OK to that. This part is super important. Do not place this on the top surface of that badge, or it will be stuck there forever, and you will not be able to manipulate it the way that you want to. This is too big for the badge as well, so we'll go over here and scale it down, just like she scaled hers up. And then we move it from the corner, trying to put it in the center. Now it's flush, even with that. So what we're going to do is actually, we don't want it to, I think it was 6 inches deep. This is really big name tag. It's just to show you how this works. I'm going to actually raise it up on the vertical axis. I'm going to tap the up key, the up arrow on my keyboard. It's going to lock it into that. And then I'm just going to kind of put it halfway in and finish that. Now, I have the text selected. I'm now going to hit the shift key with my selector. You'll see the plus minus button or plus minus little icon next to the cursor. I will select the second solid. Well, actually, let's just double check. We can look at uh, entity info over here, and it's a solid component, so it's fine. So we will select the text, and then we will, using the shift key, select the name tag. If we go and find the solid tool, it doesn't say here, but if you're using the desktop version, subtract is, it subtracts the first selected solid from the second. So if I do that, it should give us a little kind of a trick here. We can zoom in and we can see it actually uh, subtracted uh, subtracted where it was embedded into the little name tag. I'm just trying to stop selecting things here. So if I select this, now this is one solid group. That's it. Bob's your uncle. That's what I want you to do for your part of this little assignment. Obviously, it doesn't have to say test of a test, but you can follow her little example with some examples of solid tools, and then make me a little artifact. Okay, thank you.